Have you ever had that moment where you're sitting in an exam hall, staring at a question, and thinking, I studied this. I know I studied this, so why can't I remember it? It's one of the most frustrating feelings ever. You start doubting yourself. You think maybe your memory is weak. Maybe you're just not smart enough. But here's the truth. Forgetting doesn't mean you're not intelligent. It usually means you studied in a way your brain doesn't like. Let's be honest. Most of us study like this. We open the book, read one page, highlight a few lines, maybe read it again, nod our heads like we understand it, and then move on. It feels productive. It feels serious. But your brain is just passively watching information go by. Imagine trying to learn how to swim by reading a swimming manual again and again. You might understand the theory. But until you jump into the water, your body doesn't learn. Memory works the same way. Reading is watching. Recalling is swimming. If you truly want to remember what you study, you need to make your brain work harder in the right way. After you finish reading a topic, close the book. Yes, actually close it. Now ask yourself, what were the main ideas? Try to explain it without looking. Try to write it from memory. At first, it will feel messy. You'll forget things. You'll mix up points. And you might feel disappointed. But that struggle? That's the magic. When your brain struggles to retrieve information, it strengthens the neural connections linked to that memory. Every time you pull information out without looking, you are telling your brain, this is important. Keep this safe. Now let's talk about why you forget things so fast. Your brain is efficient. It doesn't want to waste energy storing useless information. If you study something once and never look at it again, your brain assumes it's not important. So it slowly deletes it. Not because you're dumb, but because your brain is trying to save space. The solution is surprisingly simple: revisit information at the right time. Study something today. Tomorrow, spend just a few minutes recalling it again. Then revisit it after a few days. Then again after a week. Each time you review it, the memory becomes stronger and more stable. You don't need to sit for 5 hours repeating the same chapter in one day. That's exhausting and inefficient. Short reviews, spaced out over time, are far more powerful. Another powerful trick is understanding instead of memorizing. Have you noticed that you can remember movie plots easily? Or drama between your friends? Or something embarrassing that happened years ago? That's because you understood it. You experienced it. It made sense. But when it comes to textbooks, we try to memorize words without truly understanding them. That's why they disappear so quickly. After studying a topic, imagine you are explaining it to someone younger than you. No complicated terms. No textbook language. Just simple, clear explanations. If you can explain it simply, you own the knowledge. If you can't, that's not a failure. It just shows you which part needs more clarity. And here's something interesting: your brain loves stories, images, and emotions. It remembers drama better than data. So instead of memorizing dry facts, turn them into something meaningful. Visualize processes like scenes in a movie. Connect concepts to real-life examples. Make weird, exaggerated mental images. The more unusual the image, the harder it is to forget. Focus also plays a huge role. If you're studying while checking notifications every 2 minutes, your brain never fully commits the information to memory. Attention is the first step of remembering. If you don't pay full attention, the memory won't even form properly. Even 30 minutes of deep, distraction-free studying can be more powerful than 3 hours of distracted reading. So the real secret to remembering everything isn't about having a gifted memory. It's about having a smart system. Make your brain retrieve information, not just recognize it. Review information multiple times over days, not once in a marathon session.